This is my first camping experience and we reached here after trekking for 8.5 kilometers today. Hello and welcome to day 2 of Hamta Pass trek. After having some breakfast, we left our camping site at Chika early in the morning. Our destination for today is Balu Ka Ghera. This portion of the trek majorly lies in the Kulu Valley of Himachal Pradesh, so it is full of green meadows and many small river streams. We all held our hands together to cross this river as it was very difficult to maintain balance and the water was so cold. Anyways, crossing this river marked that we had completed the first 4 kilometers of our trek and it took us about an hour to do so. So after this, it was time for us to take a small break. I cannot emphasize enough how much I love mountains and how much I love walking through them. So my mental happiness and the excitement was overpowering all the physical tiredness. I was too excited to rest, so me and my brother decided to dance. We started playing some local Himachali songs. I think all the Pahari culture is very similar. We have similar songs, similar dance steps. So the dance me and my brother are doing here, this is how we usually dance in our village at any festival, any occasion. हमारे गांव में हिमाचली गानों को बहुत पसंद किया जाता है, तो जब भी कभी ऐसे डांस करने का ओकेजन बनता है तो हम यही गाने सुनते हैं और हम सब डांस करने के बहुत शौकीन है. Whenever we go on any picnic in our village, we reach the top of the mountain and we just start dancing there. Our trek guide was really surprised to see some outsiders dancing to Himachali songs, but he also got very excited and we had a good time with him. We talked a lot, talked about the similarity in our language, culture, dance, music, festivals. तो मन भर के नाचने के बाद हमने थोड़ा सा रेस्ट लिया एंड देन वी रिज्यूम्ड द ट्रैक. वी स्टिल हैड 4.5 किलोमीटर्स टू कवर. यहाँ आते आते हमारी एनर्जी लेवल्स थोड़े डाउन हो गए हैं, तो हम थोड़ा धीरे चल रहे हैं अब. ऑन द वे देयर वाज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल रिवर, सो वी स्टॉप्ड बाय इट एंड क्लिक्ड मेनी पिक्चर्स हियर. एंड वी नोटिस्ड कि अब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ग्रीनरी थोड़ी कम हो रही थी और पत्थर वाला रास्ता बढ़ रहा था. By this point, we were also getting hungry, so we stopped at a place and had some light lunch. The lunch was packed by the travel agency in the morning at our last camping site. And I also had some tea. मुझे चाय कॉफी ये सब पीना बहुत पसंद है. पूरे रास्ते में अभी तक हमें यही एक शॉप दिखी थी, so I had some here. Then we continued our trek and the camping site is almost in sight now. The last 4.5 kilometers of this trek was covered in 1.5 hours. It was getting a little difficult by this time, but अब camps दिख रहे थे तो we pushed through. And here is our beautiful camping site at Balu Ka Ghera. चलते चलते ठंड का बिल्कुल पता नहीं चल रहा था, but once we stopped here I started to feel cold, so I put on my cap and jacket here. This is the view from our camp today. We sat here for hours basking in the sun, full of ecstasy and peace. बहुत सारा आराम करने के बाद in the evening we had some Maggi and tea. Then we rested again until it was time for dinner. It was really cold, so the hot meals were giving us much needed relief.